Today, I'm doing great. Welcome to English with Chanroth. Today, you'll learn how to answer common English questions in everyday conversations. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel, English with Chanroth. Okay, now let's get started with our lessons. Answer to common English question 1. What's your name? What's your name? My name is Chanroth. My name is Chanroth. Or I'm Chanroth. I'm Chanroth. Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from Cambodia. I'm from Cambodia. Or I come from Cambodia. I come from Cambodia. Where do you live? Where do you live? I lived in Phnom Penh. I lived in Phnom Penh. How old are you? How old are you? I'm 9 years old. I'm 9 years old. Or I'm 9. I'm 9. When is your birthday? When is your birthday? My birthday is on January 17. My birthday is on January 17. What's your phone number? What's your phone number? My phone number is 016-888-999. My phone number is 016-888-999. What's your email address? What's your email address? It's chanrothhood@gmail.com. It's chanrothhood@gmail.com. Who do you live with? Who do you live with? I lived with my parents. I lived with my parents. Or I lived with my wife and children. I lived with my wife and children. What time do you get up? What time do you get up? I usually get up at 5:30 a.m. I usually get up at 5:30 a.m. When do you do morning exercise? When do you do morning exercise? I often do morning exercise at 6 a.m. I often do morning exercise at 6 a.m. What time do you have breakfast? What time do you have breakfast? I have breakfast at 6:30 a.m. I have breakfast at 6:30 a.m. What time do you go to bed? What time do you go to bed? I go to bed at 11 p.m. I go to bed at 11 p.m. What's your hobby? What's your hobby? I like playing football, reading books, skateboarding, swimming. I like playing football, reading books, skateboarding, swimming. Or I am interested in playing guitar. I am interested in playing guitar. Or my hobbies are listening to music, dancing, playing tennis. What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color? My favorite color are yellow and green. My favorite colors are yellow and green. What's your favorite drink? What's your favorite drink? My favorite drink is milk. My favorite drink is milk. Or My favorite drink is Coke. What kinds of films do you like? What kinds of films do you like? Or what kinds of movies do you like? What kinds of movies do you like? I am really interested in horror, action film, or action movies. What do you do? What do you do? Or what's your job? What's your job? I'm a student. I'm a student. Or I work in a bank. I work in a bank. Or I'm unemployed at the moment. I'm unemployed at the moment. What lines of work are you in? What lines of work are you in? I work in sales. I work in sales. What company do you work for? What company do you work for? I work for an investment bank. I work for an investment bank. Or I work for an international company. Answer to Common English Question 2. Where do you study? Where do you study? I'm a student at the Chanroth International School. I'm a student at the Chanroth International School. Or I'm a student at Royal University. I'm a student at Royal University. Or I study at St. Thomas High School. I study at St. Thomas High School. What time do you go to school? What time do you go to school? I go to school at 6:40 a.m. I go to school at 6:40 a.m. What's your major? What's your major? My major is computer science. My major is computer science. Or my major is English. My major is English. Or my major is marketing. My major is marketing. How do you go to school? How do you go to school? I usually take the bus. I usually take the bus. Or I go to school by school bus. I go to school by school bus. Why do you study English? Why do you study English? Or why are you studying English? Why are you studying English? Because it's an international language. Because I love to improve my English skills. Because I want to get a good job. Because I want to be an English teacher. Because I want to live in Australia. Because I want to live in Australia. What do you want to do after you graduate? What do you want to do after you graduate? I would like to be a software engineer. I would like to be a software engineer. I want to be a programmer. I want to be a programmer. I want to be a teacher. I want to be a teacher. I want to work at a private company. I want to work at a private company. How did you learn English? How did you learn English? I took classes for 3 years. I took classes for 3 years. I did an intensive course. I did an intensive course. I picked it up from songs and movies. I picked it up from song and movies. I've been studying by myself. I've been studying by myself. Or my friend taught me. My friend taught me. How many languages do you speak? How many languages do you speak? I speak 2 languages. I speak 2 languages. How long have you been learning English? How long have you been learning English? I've been learning English since I was 4 or 5 years old. I've been learning English since I was 4 or 5 years old. Or, I've been learning English for 3 years. I've been learning English for 3 years. Which grade are you in? Which grade are you in? I'm in 4th grade. I'm in 4th grade. What year are you in? What year are you in? I'm in my 3rd year. I'm in my 3rd year. I'm a freshman. I'm a freshman. Or I'm in my final year. I'm in my final year. So that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and comment my video. Thanks for watching. See ya!